Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how the blocking service in Hangouts works. So make sure that you watch the full video, and now without wasting any time, let's get started. The Hangouts is a very rare app, guys. If anyone has blocked you, you can block that person too. So let's see how it works. Suppose that I want to block this person, so I will open the chat box of this particular person, and then I will click on the top right corner of three dots, and now I will select the option people. Now again I will click on the three dots, and here you will find the option of block. Once I will tap on block, the person will be blocked and he will not be able to send me messages again. But if we have a group in common, so that person will be able to send me messages. So that's how the blocking service works, guys. In Hangouts, blocked messages are also saved in a particular area. So we will go to that area. We will tap on the three bars and find an option called archived. Here are all the blocked messages are gone. So if you want, you can delete them from here. Now let me interchange the IDs and view whether that person is able to send me messages or not. So this is the blocked person, and say that he or she wants to send me a message. So you can see that it is clearly saying failed to send, tap to retry. And even if he retries as many times as he can, but he will be not to able to send me messages because I have blocked that person. So it was that easy, guys, to block a person if anyone is torturing you or something like that. So you can block it simply. Suppose that you want to unblock that person, so you would touch the three bars and you would select the option of settings, and you would open your ID from there and click on blocked contacts, and here you can unblock that person simply. Now again let me interchange the IDs, and here you can see that this person is unblocked. So just I have to tap to retry and the messages will be sent. I hope you understood, guys, how to unblock or block a person. And here comes the most important thing, guys. Like I have told you earlier in the starting of this video, that suppose that somebody has blocked you, so you can block them too. So you can see that this person has blocked me, so I will block that person too. Here, how to block that person, I have already told you. I will just block that person and the person will be blocked. That's it, guys. That's how you unblock or block a person in Hangouts. And if you understood it, you can just simply go through it. And if you have any doubt, make sure that you comment down and I will surely reply to that message or comment. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.